Hi friends, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Hi friends, here are some of the baby gears found in Target. Friends, here are some baby monitors that you can use in your kitchen, living room, garage, or while you're traveling to monitor your babies, even while you're in the bathroom to see if they're safe. These are some of the baby accessories. Sleeping pad that or sleeping baskets that you can use and carry them as you travel in your living room, kitchen, etc. These are some of the sound effects to help your baby sleep well. Some baby organizers, some baby bed protectors so that they don't fall, doorknob protectors, kitchen door protectors, etc. so that they don't misuse the products or get hurt or harm themselves. These are the baby changing pad again. We have some diaper beans, dirty diaper beans with the plastic cover for that. And these are the feeding chairs. And then I have strollers here that comes with car seat. It's in different brands. Some are 3-wheelers, some are 4-wheelers, depending on your needs. Then I have got baby carriers that mummies can use inside the house while they're doing their cleaning work, cooking, etc. Or when they are shopping. They can also feed the baby. Then I have some baby diaper bags that are insulated. It comes with more storage. Some are hand both ways shoulder carry as well as backpack, depending on your need again. There are different varieties, so the prices also vary, but most of them come with the same features such as having insulated pocket, a lot of storage, plus a changing pad is already attached. Some have a white case already in it, or it comes with it. I hope you like these varieties here. See, they come with the case. These are some of the baby accessories again that you can use on the shopping cart to cover the seat. Some more baby bags are here. These are the mirrors that you can use so that you can see your baby from the back car seat. Some pillows, and these are the nursing pillows that you can use to feed your baby and to make them sit. Can you see that? And it's nice and comfortable for the baby and as well as for the mother. And they can also be traveled with. These are the bottle cleaners here with detergent. You can sterilize your baby bottles, warm the milk up. You also have the milk storage containers, which is right here, or food storage, cereal storage that you can travel with. And the ones that I'm showing you, these are portable ones, so you can easily travel with them. The next is the baby bath tub that will be coming up, which is just right beside here. These are 2-seaters, can be 1-seater, can be used in different age for the baby, and some of them can be stored in your kitchen sink. Some of them you can use in your bathroom. Some comes with the shower head already. Some bath sponge are here. These are for baby potty training. You have the bathroom stools for babies. These potties can be personalized for your child. You can see for a girl and a boy, they come just like the normal toilet. These are for nasal cleaning, personal grooming for kids, for babies, and these are the humidifier. It protects your child from getting dry nose. These are car seats that can be again used for different age groups. Some of them have got booster seats and some are separate booster seats. These are baby feeding bottle, but my favorite one is the tilting one, which I will show you right now. It's just about to come, which is right there in the corner, tilting ones. Then you have got some baby accessories for mummies as well to protect her breasts, and it's for therapy, for breast therapy as well. Promotes milk development, and also for mom's breast therapy. You can see there. Friends, if you're feeding your baby in public, you can also cover yourself with this product here, and also you can use them in different ways, such as covering yourself while feeding, also on the stroller, and while the baby is having a nap and you want to walk around in the sun. I've got more baby bags here. These are the breast milk pumps for mom. And these are baby sipping bottle dining utensils for kids. I prefer plates with compartments so that the kids can select their own meal, but mom controls the portion. Can you see that? And these are the plates that they will be getting in their restaurants and in schools, so why not train them at home with them now? These are the baby beeps. Some are plastic covered, some are two ways, and they're again easy to travel with. You can easily wipe out the mess or rinse off the mess and reuse them. Then we have got baby formulas. Different countries have got different baby formulas, and each country cares for their kids, so I'm not there to judge anyone, but this is what I have used, so I'm showing it to you. These are baby wipes and diapers. Number one brands are like Huggies, Snuggles, Huggies and Pampers. My child has grown up with Huggies. She still uses Huggies wipers. These are baby skincare. Some of them are for eczemas. You can pick according to your baby skin needs. Doves are there, Johnson is there, Aveeno is there. Depends on what you want to pick, but there are a variety of options here. Next are baby laundry detergents and stain removers. Again, it gives you more option of selecting the product that you want to pick. Then we have got some baby medications, nasal cares, fever, diaper rash, wipes, etc. You can call this baby crib or baby cot depending on how you want to name it, but these are used for baby sleeping, as you know. I've got these ones are portable ones, they can easily fold. You can carry the stand and use it in different ways to place your babies. I'm gonna show you as it's shown in the pictures here. And their prices vary, but they have got multi-purpose use. You can see that you can place the stand wherever you want. And this is how you can use them. You can use them as playpen, baby cot or baby crib for sleeping, changing, etc. You can also travel with them. Friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Some baby swings are here, bounces, etc. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Note, all products are available online also. Thank you.